Unlocking negatives in requests and offers. Mastering modal verbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a critical piece of English grammar: negative forms of modal verbs in the context of requests and offers. These are terms like can't, couldn't, won't, and more, and they're vital for polite, accurate, and nuanced English communication. Let's get started. Modal verbs like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should are incredibly useful for expressing different degrees of certainty, ability, or necessity. When we put these verbs in their negative form, it allows us to decline requests or offers in a polite or nuanced way. This section will guide you through each one, explaining how and when to use them. Can't and couldn't are often used to decline a request or an offer due to an inability or an obstacle. For example, I can't come to the party tonight. I have a previous engagement. I'm sorry, but I couldn't help you with your assignment. I was out of town. May not and might not convey a sense of uncertainty or doubt when refusing a request or offer. I may not be able to pick you up from the airport. My car is in the shop. I might not attend the conference. I'm still waiting on my manager's approval. Will not, or won't, and would not, or wouldn't, are used to decline a request or offer, often suggesting a decision based on preference or intention. I won't be able to babysit this weekend. I have other plans. I wouldn't recommend that restaurant. I had a bad experience there. Lastly, shall not, or shan't, less commonly used, and should not, or shouldn't, can be used in more formal contexts or to provide advice. We shall not be attending the meeting. Our company has other priorities. You shouldn't work so late. It's not good for your health. And that's a wrap on negative forms of modal verbs in requests and offers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these in your everyday conversations. With patience and practice, you'll find these verbs become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Happy learning!